Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing a little weekend vlog today because today's Nate's and I monthly anniversary. We're gonna go downtown, check out this little Brazilian festival thingy. I don't really know what to call it. So I'm bringing you guys along with me for that. And tomorrow we have plans to do something. I don't know if it's gonna go through, if we're actually gonna do it, so I'm not even gonna mention it just in case we don't do it, or actually we don't go to the place. But anyway, I'm waiting for him to come pick me up. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Okay, so I'm just wearing these jeans from American Eagle that I showed you guys in my Black Friday haul. This sweater is like the other ones that I had shown you guys from Ross. And then my boots, I actually didn't show you guys these. I actually bought these for New York. And it's really cool because the top, or this bottom half, is rubber, so they're rain boots. But up here is fabric, so it kind of just hugs your legs really nicely. And which I really like, because if it gets really, really cold and it hits, the wind hits me, I won't have a gap. Yeah, so this is my outfit. I'm also wearing a little Kendra Scott necklace. You can't really see it. There you go. Yeah, so this is my outfit. Hey guys, so it's actually been a couple hours since I last seen you. Here's Nate, say hi. That's rude. Okay, so we went to the Brazilian thing. Total bust. It was more Brazilian products and Brazilian food. We did get some Brazilian soda. He calls it Bleach. I call it Amazingness Gold. It's liquid gold is what I call it. Just kidding.
Oh, I like it.
Anyway, so we did that. We left. Literally, we got there. My mom was leaving, and I was like, total bus. No point in coming. So we went to Chewy's and ate. That's just a Mexican food place here.
Tex-Mex.
Yeah, it's Tex-Mex.
No, it is Tex-Mex.
Oh, it is Tex-Mex.
Don't get it mixed.
Okay, got it. It's Tex-Mex. And then after that, sorry, my arm is really tired from holding up this camera. We went to Burlington to go look for coats for New York. Totally didn't find anything, but we did find some stuff. What did we find?
Jacket and some socks.
The best socks. They were having a deal. 5 socks for $10. And Nate, okay, I can't show you guys this because he's driving, but oh my gosh. He loves to wear tube socks, is that what they're called? Tube socks, and he rolls up, oh my gosh. He rolls up his pants so you can see the socks, and he's wearing high top Converse right now. He's very 80s vibe is his style. But besides the point.
You can put my socks in the
So I'm gonna show you guys what socks. Okay, the first sock, this is actually Nate. So I got 3 and he got 2 of them. This one it says birthday boy and it's Jesus. And it's really cute. Yeah, so they were, oh. There we go. So that's the first one. The second one, it's this Get Lit one. Can't really see it. It says Get Lit. And then the other side, it's a Christmas tree because lighting up a Christmas tree. So I think these 2 are...
The Jesus one's my favorite.
Those 2 are his.
The Jesus one's my
No, those
favorite.
2 aren't his. Which one? Oh, that one's actually mine. This one, these 2 are his. This one says gangster rapper, wrapping a gift. So these 2 are Nate's. And that one's mine. I already showed it to you. I got 3 because I'm going to be wearing kind of longer socks with boots in New York, and so I needed some long socks too. And this one says Feliz Navidad. And the last one says have a holly jolly Christmas. Just a cute one.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, best time of the year. I'm driving my eyes closed.
Oh man, I'm gonna die. Alright, so those are all the socks that we got. But then Nate actually did some buying. He bought some more socks. They're just regular Adidas socks, nothing crazy.
Adidas are stripes over chest.
Really liked the San Antonio Spurs, the basketball team. Sorry guys, we're driving in.
You know, there's only one San Antonio Spurs team, right?
Okay.
You haven't really clarified if it's basketball or anything. We don't have a San Antonio football team. Just gonna clarify that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for that. So he just bought this dry fit jacket with a little logo on it. And it was super duper cheap. I think it was like $10, right?
That was
11 bucks. And it's like,
It's usually like 100 if you get it for like concessions or whatever.
so we did that. Now he's taking me home because I gotta go to work. Oh, which kind of sucks. I didn't want to go to work. I'm trying to see if someone could switch this with me. No one did, so gotta go to work. He also has to work at 5. So yeah, it's kind of like a lame vlog. Hopefully tomorrow we do some exciting things. Don't really know. Hey guys, so it's the next day. We are driving to church.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, after church we're gonna go eat with his family. What we were gonna go do that I mentioned yesterday, we were gonna go to San Antonio and go to the trail lights and like look at all the lights and stuff, but that's not gonna happen because I have tests tomorrow and I have to study all that stuff, and we would get home pretty late. So we're not doing any of that. We're just gonna stay in Austin and just kind of hang out and all that stuff. But I'll bring you guys along. So hey guys, so I'm back. It's been a really long time. I'm here with Maddie. We're at Ross. I didn't show you guys my outfit. We're just here hanging out, looking around, doing some stuff. So I'll show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing a plain black shirt. I've had it for a long time. These jeans are from American Eagle. Same boots from yesterday. This scarf. And Maddie's look is, I really like her shoes. She found those right there, and those are really cute.
Maybe. Just found a purse.
I also found a purse. Yeah, I found this purse. I thought it'd be really cute for New York. Yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, so I actually forgot to finish the vlog last night, but it actually is okay because I can just show it to you. I can just finish it today, basically. So it's Monday. It's the next day. It's Monday. It's 7 in the morning right now, and I'm headed to school because I have a final to take. It's gonna be rough. It's honestly so cold outside. Like, I'm like all dressed up for very wintry-ish. Oh, look, I already changed my bag. This is the bag that I got yesterday that I kind of showed you guys. After we went to Ross yesterday, Maddie and I also went to Marshall's. I only found 2 things, and they're not even like clothing items. They're actually like decorating stuff because I want to redecorate my room. There's like a little corner like next to my closet door on the other side of it, not the mirror, the other side that I'm like, looks too boring, let's like spice it up. And yeah, so I'll show you guys once I get home. Back at home now after my final, all that kind of stuff. So this is what I bought yesterday. It's a message board. Don't mind my dog. She's very curious. There's one right there too. Hi, Daisy. Hi. Okay, so yeah, I got this cute little message board from Marshall's, and then I also got this throw kindness around like confetti little thing. It was literally $4, guys. Love that. So I'm gonna put some wording on here because I want to decorate this corner right there. Like have little, it's my for New York. So I want to decorate this little corner because I kind of want to make this like a corner that I film in instead of on my bed, because I also have this. So I'm really into like the golds, rose golds, the pinks, stuff like that. So I thought this would look super duper cute. And I've always wanted one of these, and it was like super cheap. It was like 10 bucks. So yeah, keep you guys updated. I'll eventually give you guys a room tour. But I kind of need to fix it up a bit. These dogs are too much. So I keep forgetting to finish this vlog. It's actually Tuesday now. But I thought about showing you guys a little corner that I'm actually probably almost done with. So this is a little corner that I was talking about, where this is my closet and that's a mirror. That's also my luggage that I showed you guys earlier. So this I showed you guys earlier from Marshall's. I just put a Bible verse on it from 1 John 4:19. And then that one I've already showed you guys. But these three right here I got today, and then this one I've had for a while actually. So this one says, "You're capable of doing amazing things. This girl can," and then "Hello, gorgeous." Those three I also got from Marshall's earlier today. And then this one Nate actually gave to me like almost a year ago. And it used to be like over there behind that Polaroid camera, so it's kind of hidden. So I just thought like, well, it looks kind of cute, but I want to add more things. I also want to add like a cute little chair. So this possibly might be a new filming background that you guys would get to see a lot more often. And I mean, I guess I can just show you guys the rest of my room now. So I showed you guys this earlier. This is actually a fold-up bed, but when I fold it up, it just looks like a cute little couch. And my dog loves to sleep on it. And that's my bed. That's the blanket from American Eagle for my Black Friday haul. And then this, that's like makeup stuff. It's a printer, trash can, more little decoration things. This bulletin board, I actually need to swap out the pictures because they're very, very old. But since we're here, guys, look at how cute I used to be. Like, look at that. Or there's also like this one right here. Look at that cutie. So cute. Also look at Nate. That's when he was a child. And oh my gosh, and look at that one. So cute. So that is all I have for you guys for this video. I'm sorry it's taking so long. I'm finally basically done with school. I only have like tomorrow left. And I'm gonna start making more videos, uploading more, and I also really need you guys' opinion about like any other videos you want to see me film, all that kind of stuff. So make sure to comment down below. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, all that kind of stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video.